What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be debadging the car. So I'm gonna be taking off the all-wheel drive and the Q50 emblem. So what you're gonna need is some fishing line. You can also use dental floss, but I feel like it's gonna break a lot more often than fishing line. So a heat gun or your mom's hair dryer, yeah. And you're also gonna need some WD-40 and some rubbing alcohol later on. Alright, so first step would be to heat up the area around the badge to loosen up the glue behind the badges. And then once you feel that the metal around it is hot, you can take your fishing line and just start debadging. Yo, there's no going back at this point, man. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you're gonna be left with like a bunch. What the? And you're gonna be left with this glue thing right here. And then after you're done, just heat up the glue, and then take a card and just try to take off the glue. You're gonna see that there's still some glue residue, so then we're going to take our WD-40 and then go over it, and then we'll polish it out, and that'll be it. Okay, so at this point all I'm really doing is just heating up the area where the glue is, and I'm trying to take off all the glue using the card, and you see that all of it does not come off. So this is where the WD-40 comes in play. You spray it onto the tissue and you just hold it there, let it soak into the glue, and then you go back with your card, scratch off the glue residue off, and then keep doing that, keep repeating the process till the whole thing comes off. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the WD-40. Almost looks like there was nothing there, but I'm still gonna go the extra step and wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol and polish it. Okay guys, so I just put some polish on the pad and I just patted it on the car, and well, this is what happened. So at first I couldn't see it with my eye, but when I put polish down, well, you can kind of see it. So yeah, you definitely need to polish. So we'll see if it's still there after I polish it. So then when you're done the polish, just wipe it with a microfiber towel, but I don't have that right now. So yeah, this is what it should look like after you're done. You can see it's more it's shinier than the reflection. You can see the reflection better here than the area around it. But yeah, this is what it should look like. And now I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me debadging this one, and that'll be it. Alright guys, so this is the final, this is the finished product. As you guys can see, the emblems are off except for the infiniti emblem. And I also polished it, so you can't see that, you can't even tell that there was anything there before. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself. And make sure to subscribe. And we've also got this man here doing his car. So if you guys want to see more of his build, make sure to follow him. Link right here. Yeah, he's debadging also. He already took out the all-wheel drive. It's already looking so much cleaner. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.